how to play with friends in survivorio. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to play with your friends in survivorio. If you've been wondering how to team up and unlock the co-op mode, this guide will walk you through the steps, and let's get started. First, open the survivorio app on your device. Make sure you're signed in to your account and have friends added to your account. This is essential for playing together. And once you're in the game, click on the chapter chest to see your current progress. As you can see, I'm still in chapter 1. And to unlock the co-op mode, you'll need to progress further in the game. So to play with friends, you need to unlock chapter 12, as this chapter unlocks the co-op mode, which allows you to team up with your friends and play together. To reach chapter 12, you'll need to complete all the previous chapters, including chapter 11. And once you've unlocked chapter 12, the co-op mode will become available. So that mode lets you invite your friends to join your game, team up, and tackle challenges together. It's a great way to earn more rewards and enjoy the game with others. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to unlock and play in co-op mode with your friends in survivorio.